Welcome to Checkmark Creation Math class. And welcome to another math class about determining the nature of the roots using discriminant. Quick review of the quadratic formula. The quadratic formula says that x is equal to negative b plus minus square root of b square minus 4ac over 2a. Or any quadratic equation like ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. What is discriminant? The expression b square minus 4ac in quadratic formula under the square root is called the discriminant. That discriminant is used to find the number of real roots of a quadratic equation and also the nature of the roots of a quadratic equation. We can describe the nature of the roots of a quadratic equation using its discriminant. If b square minus 4ac is greater than 0, the roots are real and unequal. If b square minus 4ac is equal than 0, the roots are real and equal. If b square minus 4ac is less than 0, the roots are not real. Take note. Inspecting the sign of the discriminant will help you determine the nature of the roots easily. If positive, the roots are real and unequal. If it is negative, the roots are not real numbers. If it is 0, the roots are real and equal. Let's have our example. Find the discriminant of the following quadratic equations, and describe the nature of the roots. 3x squared equals to negative 2x minus 5. First, write the given quadratic equation in a general form. Determine the value of e, b, and c. Then solve for the discriminant by merely substituting the obtaining value of e, b, and c. Then evaluate. Use the value of the discriminant to describe the roots. Since the discriminant is less than 0, therefore the roots are not real numbers. For the second example, x squared is equal to negative 4x minus 2. We follow the same method of solving it. First, write the given quadratic equation in a general form. Determine the value of e, b, and c. Then solve for the discriminant by merely substituting the obtaining value of e, b, and c. Then evaluate. Use the value of the discriminant to describe the roots. Since the discriminant is greater than 0, therefore the roots are real and unequal. Take note that the roots of a quadratic equation are rational roots if the discriminant is a perfect square, while they are irrational roots if the discriminant is not a perfect square. Let's have an example. Find the value of m in the equation 3x squared plus mx equals to negative 12 if the equation has real and equal roots. Here is the solution. Rewrite the equation 3x squared plus mx equals to negative 12. Write the given quadratic equation in a general form. Determine the value of e, b, and c. Then solve for the discriminant by merely substituting the obtaining value of e, b, and c. Then evaluate. The quadratic equation has a double root or roots, real and unequal roots, when m squared minus 144 equals 0. By the factoring we obtain the values of m, which is equal to 12 and negative 12. That's all for today's video. And thank you for watching. Always remember, life is a math equation. In order to gain the most, you have to know how to convert negatives into positives.